Hey everyone, so my name's Luke and I'd just like to welcome you to my first trading idea. This is a potential CBO, so a confirmed breakout. This is one of the strategies I trade on Usdcad, targeting the next resistance support area. So first we'll start here on the daily time frame. See prices in this currently bullish trend. Higher low, previous low, higher high, previous high, and then printed a higher low here, and it's failing to break below the daily 50 MA for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then yesterday 7, bullish engulfing bar, showing us that there is a fair bit of bullish momentum to the upside. Now, I trade using multiple time frames, drawing an overall picture, using the monthly, weekly, daily, 4-hour, 1-hour, and the 5-minute chart for entries. So I first, usually doing my watch list, I'll look at the daily time frame, which we just looked at. So now we'll go to the higher time frames, being the monthly and the weekly. Monthly here, you can see that it's been in this, it's pretty bullish. And it's broken out to the upside of this symmetrical triangle in the last 1, 2, 3 months. It came back down here, but it failed to break lower, respecting this 20 EMA, and now this month, with another week and a bit to go, is potentially looking like it's going to fail to break down lower and still hold to the upside of it. So that paints a bullish picture. The weekly chart here, also see a bullish trend, higher lows and higher highs, and price came down respecting the weekly 50 for the last 1, 2 weeks. It's been bullish. Last week respected the 20 EMA, and this week with 1 day left in the trading day, it's looking like it's going to reject the 20 EMA, further giving confirmation the price will continue to the upside. Then go to the intradays and the 4-hour chart. So basically a CBO is a break and retest of the 4-hour 50. You can see here it's broken out of this sort of range bound area that price was sort of consolidating in, moving sideways, and looking just for a retest. Once it pulls back, a retest of the 4-hour 50 here, wait for a rejection with momentum to the upside and take it long. So a CBO, as I said, was a break and retest of this 4-hour 50, as well as a break and retest of the 1-hour 50, 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci zone. So got an alert set here, so I'm notified of when price pulls down. I want to see how it reacts, potentially how it comes down. If it comes down with acceleration to the downside, I then want to see price stall, so decelerate. So you will notice deceleration when the candle size becomes smaller and smaller. So that means that the bears are losing steam. So basically you want to see things counter each other. So if the bears come down with momentum, you want to see deceleration, and then the bulls reject and then continue to the upside with momentum, so acceleration. But if it just gradually falls down, then I don't feel the need to see as much deceleration, because price didn't really come down with a lot of momentum. And on the 5-minute, this is, as I said, I used only for entries. So price comes down to around the pivot area, and I've just got this marked in as a guide. Potential 35 pip stop, placing me safely below 0.618, which is where I always will place my stop for a CBO, below 0.618 because that is the safest region. So in order for price to stop me out, it has to break through all these different support levels. So it's got to fight, the price has to fight a lot of pressure in order to get there, and if it stops me out, the trade's no longer valid. And targeting this daily 50, not daily 50, next support resistance of 1.355 for potential 5.83%. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there'll be many more to come. Thanks.